In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove space between images in Behance using the built-in Styles panel. First, open your project in the editor. At the top of the screen, click the Styles button. This panel allows you to customize your project's appearance, including the spacing between images. Look for the option called Module Spacing. Here, you can adjust the space between your images or media blocks. You can reduce it significantly or remove it entirely depending on your preferred layout. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity. You don't need any CSS or external code. Everything is managed directly in the user-friendly panel. Keep in mind that spacing affects your project's overall flow. Too little space may feel cramped, while too much can disrupt visual balance. Always preview your changes to ensure your layout looks cohesive. And that's it. With a few clicks, you can make your Behance projects more visually appealing and cohesive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials.